point P lies on the positive x-axis and the point Q lies on the positive y-axis. Triangle POQ is isosceles and its area is 32 square units. The diagram shows a circle passing through the points P, O and Q. Find the equation of the circle. So in order to find the equation of the circle, we need to find its centre, which will be on here. Okay, and also the radius. So first of all is to find the midpoint of that line. So we need to find the corners of that point and that point. So OP is equal to OQ because the triangles are isosceles. And we know that the area of the triangle is 32 units squared. So the area of POQ is 32. So using half of base times height, half of base times height, because the triangle here is right angled, is 32. And therefore OP, and as OQ is also OP, so it'll be OP times OP is 64. So it's OP squared is 64. OP is 8. So that means that coordinate is 8, 0. And this one is 0, 8. To find the midpoint, which is the centre of the circle, we don't really need to use the formula, but it's just for the sake of being complete. So it's x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So we'll label that one x1, y1, x2, y2. So that's going to be 8 plus 0 over 2, and then 0 plus 8 over 2, which gives me the point 4, 4. So that gives me that point there. Okay. We'll mark that point on. So going to my diagram. Right, so the equation of a circle, centre AB with radius R, is given by x minus A all squared plus y minus B all squared is equal to R squared. So where A is going to be 4 and B is going to be 4. So it's x minus 4 squared plus y minus 4 squared. Now R is going to be this distance here. Well, we know this distance is 4, and we know that this distance is 4, and therefore that's the radius. So applying Pythagoras to that, that will be 4 squared plus 4 squared. I won't take the square root because I actually want R squared. So that's going to be, the equation of the circle will be x minus 4 all squared plus y minus 4 all squared is equal to 16 plus 16, which is 32. So this has been a video to show you how to find the equation of a circle with 3 of its points passing through the axis, and knowing that the triangle that those points make is isosceles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.